Hello and welcome to KDP with a Twist podcast. I'm Tammie Chrin, a self-publishing enthusiast, and I'm dedicated to helping you grow your business by adding a new twist to the KDP self-publishing world. I've been branding booklets for businesses since 2018. I'm the founder of KDP for B2B, which stands for Kindle Direct Publishing for Business to Business. We'll explore how to leverage your KDP self-publishing skills by helping businesses create branded booklets featuring their content. If you're interested in starting and growing your own KDP for B2B business, you've come to the right place. I'll introduce you to a few ways that you can get paid to help businesses create their own branded booklets without keywords or ads. Yes, that's right, without keywords or ads. This is what I call a triple win. The business elevates its brand, adds value to its customers, and stands out from their competition. You get paid a setup fee for each book created, plus you can make money for every book sold. And customers feel as though they have received a gift and something they will use and love. Join me every Tuesday as I will share some practical tips and advice on how you can get your own KDP for B2B adventure started. Are you ready? Let's go. Welcome to KDP with a Twist. I'm Tammie Chrin, and today I'm going to give you 2 tips on a mistake I made and I don't want you to make. So I'm going to give you 2 tips on when you're creating a planner for a business and they say they want it to be 365 pages for the year. They want a year planner. What happens is this. It's a ream of paper. It's too heavy, too thick, too big. I don't know if you can see this, but it's like the size of a ream of paper. That's 365 pages. That's what it looks like. And how I describe it to my clients when they ask for 365-day planner or whatever they're asking for, I tell them, do you know how heavy a ream of paper is? And they usually go, yeah. I go, that's how heavy your book will be. And most people are not going to carry that planner around with them, or they are not going to use it as often. It's just too much, too heavy. So tip 1, do not do what I did and make a planner at 365 pages. Now, let's say they want to have the 365 days. What I suggest, this is my tip 2, is to tell them to create a 90-day planner, which is much more manageable and easier to bring with somebody if they wanted to put it in their bag of, their work bag or their workout bag or whatever they're carrying around with them. And also, you make more because they buy, after 3 months, they buy another planner and another planner. So you actually make more money because every 3 months they're buying a new one. So, it's going to be better for the customer because it's not so heavy. The business owner is going to make more because they'll buy them more often than once a year. They'll buy them, 3 times a year. And then the other part is that you'll make more money because they'll be buying more planners from the business, which in return, you make a royalty every time that is sold. So that is my 2-tip Tuesday. Do not do 365-day planners as the new year is coming up. It's just way too much weight, and it's cumbersome. So if you want to pack around a ream of paper, then that's what you do. But I highly doubt that if you tell someone, a business owner, that is how big it will actually feel. And this was 8 by 11, so you can see it's a large piece of. It's like a brick. Anyway, so if you have any questions, we can go to TammieChrin.com. There's lots of information on my website. Get on my mailing list. Drop your email in there. And I'm always giving these tips, and hopefully that will help you not make the mistake I did and keep your customers happy. All right, bye for now. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. If you know anybody else struggling with KDP and not making sales, or even having trouble with ads and keywords, please share KDP with a Twist podcast or have them subscribe to my YouTube channel. At KDP with a Twist podcast, I will be going over lots of strategies every Tuesday, and I'll be putting this information into small chunks, so it'll make it easier to digest. And then you can get started making money with KDP for B2B ASAP. For more information, go to my website, Make sure you get on the email list so you can stay in the loop with all things KDP. My website name is my name, Tammie Chrin. That's it, TammieChrin.com. TammieChrin.com. It'll also be in the transcripts below. Make sure you like, follow, and subscribe. And thank you for your time, and bye for now.